Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Poketown and this is my first video on my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to start, and my name's Amaya, by the way. And my gaming channel is called Amaya's Fun Place. So I'm going to be playing some Poketown right now. I'm going to be showing you the apartment first because I never used this apartment. We're going to see if there's any changes. Yeah, like I was watching every time when I first get on here, just like this, little kitty, meow 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 meow, got a little person, another person, and then the next house we're gonna go to is I'll show you more of that house. The next house we're gonna go to is this house, which I love it. So I already cleaned this house out, but I just need to throw this box away. This is the cleaner guy. He usually never cleans anymore because he already cleaned this house. But they have bunk beds. This one can cover up. That's so cool. And this one, it's a big TV, so you can climb up here to go upstairs. But there's an elevator, so you don't have to go through the stairs. So this is a girl. Her name's Emily, and she has a little sister. And guess what I found, guys? Every time I see this, I freak out. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I found this. Guys, I found the puppet that everyone's been looking for. See, guys? I've been looking for the puppet. I've been looking for that puppet. I've been looking for the puppets everywhere. Oh my god, I can't believe I got the puppet.
So good. It's so good, guys.
But I want this video to get at least 2 likes. Okay, so this house is all done. Now we're gonna go downstairs. This is level 1. You already checked out the other buildings, so yes, these are the rich people. Their house looks cool. I never saw their house before. This is somebody else's house, I don't know. Oh, why does my ear hurt so much? So I'm gonna grow some plants. Whoa, I see tomatoes. Maybe water up more. That's not how it's gonna grow. And then the next level, the next secret is this. I love this secret. I love that place. He's so cute. So I never saw this game in Toca Boca, but this game is a cool game. The kids play. And this is the guy who's riding right now. He has 3 lives. And he turned into a doll. And then he got his friend. Then they turned into a rocket ship. And then I just started away my ship. So this is the pet place. I love how they help the animals. The animals are cute. So this is just I could buy a whole sack of this. Potatoes for everyone! I'm gonna have a Halloween theme or a Christmas theme in Toca Boca. Tell me what kind of game you want me to play next. Bye!